Hi all, today we are going to discuss about installation of Logstash on AWS instance. So first of all, I will go ahead and create instance in AWS. So let's move on. I will click on instance here. Uh, I will create a new instance for this test. I will name it like our topic exactly. I will use Red Hat and free tier I have selected, and key pair already I have generated the key pair, so I will use the same and launch. Meanwhile, uh, launch let's launch this instance. It will take some time to make a in available state instance state. So let's discuss about some detail about today video. So Logstash installation, it's a component of Elasticsearch. Basically it's used to basically work as a ETL. And today we are gonna discuss only specific how to install and on AWS Linux instance. And first of all, create AWS, which is we already doing that. Then we will access from the Linux instance, and installing the package repository using yum. Basically how we do download and install the public signing key, and then updating repo, then performing Logstash installation of Logstash package, and then validating. This will be covered in this session. So let's move on and see how this is whether its instance is ready or not. Yes, instance is ready. Let's go ahead and basically access the instance. So connect, click on the connect, and if you are using a session you can do SSH client. And then you have to download the PEM key and save it in your profile, so that, and make it change the permission so that you can easily access the instance. And cell new window, I wanted to go with color, and then do ls. You have a dps spam file. I will paste what I have copied from AWS instance. It's asking for accessing, so that's good. ls you name linux u minus h. It's yeah, your instance in AWS. Now next thing is basically once you have access the instance, then now download and install the public signing key. So control C, and go to your command line, and control V, set it. And then you have to do basically set the repository. So you can create one file. So let's create, I would say a little bit larger so that you can easily view. Let's close unnecessary one, and then cd ls vi. Before that, let's switch to root so that you don't face any problem with the permission. yum.repo.d ls vi logstash.repo. Copy this stanza, save this, Okay, access this, and then easily you can go ahead and perform this installation. It will download the Elastic repository, and it will set the repo and then download. Let's wait for a few seconds. I'm going with each and every process, like how when you run execute this command, what all the things are being done. It's asking whether you wanted to install the package. Yes. And you have a version detail, you have a repo and the size, and architecture which you have used for this purpose. And meanwhile, while installation is going on, you can go ahead in Google and say is download Logstash. Click on the first link and installing from the package repository, and we are performing this action: download and import this, setting the signing key, editing repo. Then we are using to going to install this, already run that command, and then we will check the status. As per our today's topic, we have done this. Now we are moving to this Logstash installation, and then we will validate. So it's about to complete, and meanwhile, what I would like to tell that Logstash is a very powerful tool. It's kind of like tool which you can use for translation of protocol conversion, like you receive the data from TCP and route the data to HTTP. It works on three phases. Basically, I will create another video on that part, how Logstash works, how you can utilize Logstash for your in a day-to-day works. It's very useful tool. It's free, basically, provided by Elasticsearch, and um, it can accept the any protocol, and it has a lots of input plugins, output plugins, as well as filter level plugins which can be installed and utilized. And it's it's very powerful tool. And let's check the status now. So I will perform the sudo system control start Logstash. First of all, we have to start it and start. Little bit mistake, because sudo is that command. We no need a sudo. I can remove it. System, and now I can check the status, and it's running. And that's thank you very much. We will see you in next video with a new topic. Thank you.